In today's world, food processing companies specialized in meat products, complex proteins, prepared foods, and plant materials would benefit from continuous production systems as they strive to meet consumer demand for superior food quality and operational efficiency. To conserve full flavor and the desired texture, food products must be chilled quickly, evenly, and efficiently. As a pioneer in food freezing and chilling with decades of experience, Linde developed the AccuChill Continuous Blender Chilling System to meet these challenges. It continuously injects the necessary amount of cryogen for even and consistent chilling as the product moves from one unit of operation to another. Linde's AccuChill CBC technology is a patented, easy-to-clean cryogenic chilling solution that uses either liquid nitrogen or liquid carbon dioxide as the refrigerant. It quickly chills the product on a small footprint while increasing throughput. The AccuChill CBC system removes heat more effectively than alternative chilling options. Continuous gentle movement of the product, combined with continuous injection of the cryogen, results in effective cooling power and/or high capacity on a relatively small footprint. The AccuChill CBC comes in two different configurations, horizontal and inclined, so it can integrate into the operating line well. The inclined version can be used to move product upward. Rapid temperature reduction also helps lower moisture loss, bacterial growth, product loss, and cleaning time. It is ideal for shredded or deboned meat, bacon and jerky pieces, cooked grain, plant and botanical materials, granola, pet food proteins, and whole or ground spices. AccuChill CBC is capable of chilling products with viscous, pasty, granular, or fluffy textures. AccuChill CBC chilling solution provides many benefits. Inline process integration, labor savings, high throughput per unit of length, minimal product loss, precise temperature control, high cryogen efficiency, ease of cleaning. Linde offers turnkey services and optimizes every installation to meet your specific needs. So let's discuss how you can benefit from this state-of-the-art chilling solution.